Question number 12. Which of the following functions are strictly decreasing on 0, pi by 2? Functions are given cos of x, cos of 2x, cos of 3x, tan of x. So, answer I have already ticked here. It is number A and B. But to know the answer, you have to calculate very long way. Answer A. Let fx equal to cos of x. Differentiate above with respect to x. What you'll have? F dash x equal to minus sine x. You'll have minus sine of x. Now for sine of x, draw the graph of sine of x. We know that sine 0 equal to 0. That means graph of sine x start from 0. And then sine of 90 is pi by 2 is 1. That means here 1. So it will be here on the top 1. So in this case, in this way, the graph will go 0, pi by 2, 90 degree. After that, 2 pi by 2. After that, 3 pi by 2. After that, 4 pi by 2. It keeps on going on. 2 pi by 2 means 2 cancel. You'll have only pi. So sine of x. Sine of x. What is x in this case? We have to consider x as given 0 to 90 degree. So from 0 to 90 degree, the graph is on the top of the x-axis. On the top of the x-axis, above this line it is positive. On the top of this line it is positive. So sine of x will be positive because our x is from 0 to pi by 2 will be positive. So sine of x is positive. Positive into this minus will be negative. That's why I write here less than 0. So it will be less than 0 for each x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, less than 0 means f is strictly decreasing on 0 to pi by 2. Next one. Number B, fx equal to cos of 2 of x. Differentiate with respect to x, you'll have f dash x equal to minus sine 2x. Then you have to differentiate again. 2x, you'll have 2 coming out. That means you'll have minus 2 sine 2x. So first I'll check sine of 2x. What is our x in this case? Our x in this case is 0 to 90 degree. So when I put 0 to sine of 2, 0 will give you sine 0. Then sine of, when I put x as pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, it will give you pi, sine of pi. That means now our value for this sine, 2x is from sine 0 to sine pi. Look at the graph, 0 to pi. 0 to pi, the graph is above the x-axis, that means it will be positive. 0 to pi it will be positive. That means sine 2x will be positive. When you multiply it with minus 2, it will become negative. So that means the whole thing will be less than 0 for each x belongs to 0 pi by 2. Therefore, f is strictly decreasing on 0 to pi by 2. Strictly because in the question also it is given strictly. So option number A is strictly decreasing. Option number B is strictly decreasing. That's why I tick here A and B because they want strictly decreasing. Number C. Let us see number C. Let fx equal to cos 3x. Differentiate with respect to x, you will have f dash x minus sine 3x d by dx of 3x. 3 will come out. First, I'll calculate sine 3x. Sine 3x, you will have to put x as 0. Then you will get 3 into 0, sine 0. Next, put x as pi by 2, interval pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. That means now the graph is from sine 0 to sine 3 pi by 2. Let us look in the graph. From 0 to 3 pi by 2. From here to here, 3 pi by 2. From 0 to pi, we have seen it is positive above the x-axis. But from pi to 3 pi by 2, from here to here, the graph is below the x-axis. below the x-axis, it will be negative. That means the whole graph from 0 to 3 pi by 2, you cannot say it is increasing, you cannot say it is positive. From 0 to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, also you cannot say it is decreasing, because here it is increasing, here it is decreasing. So it contains both. That's why I will say here, which is neither strictly increasing nor decreasing as seen in the graph. Question number D, fx equal to tan of x. Differentiate it with respect to x. Formula is sec square x. Sec square of x, it contains square, so obviously it will be greater than 0. For each x belongs to 0, pi by 2. If it is greater, that means it will be strictly increasing on 0, pi by 2. So the only answer is option A and B, where the answer is strictly decreasing.